I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this sales/freebie haul. So for a start off, so this is from the Valentine's Day sales, the day after Valentine's. So this was 50% off, so this ended up being £2.50, which will leave £5 of chocolates. That looks like, at first I thought they were sheep butts, but they're actually just sheeps. You can see the face. I legit thought this was the butt of the sheep. But here, some chocolates. So this ended up being £3. It was originally £6. So this is duck liver parfait and orange glaze, smooth duck parfait. And then lastly, for the sales for Valentine's Day, so this was ended up being £1.87. I can't remember how much it was originally. So triple cooked chips. Managed to get this M&S Foods OT Farmhouse bread for free from M&S from the Sparks card thing. So here it is, free from the Sparks card. So it was originally £1.70, but free Kit Kat from the Tesco's store from the train station in exchange for scanning the QR code. So in this package is from Home Test. I got this for free. So this is the Enlightened Vitamin C Serum. So this is the serum. Nope. This is what the dropper looks like inside. I managed to get this for free from Co-op. So this is the bread and then some carrots. So it was marked down for orange sticker. So originally 58p down to 21p. And this was originally £1.10 down to 22p, but I managed to get it for free by using my points. So I got this free can of baked beans from the Shopimum app from after cashback. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. I also got this free cookie from the. I got this free heart-shaped biscuit cookie from the. I got this free heart-shaped biscuit cookie from the train station.